Let's have a look at a subsidiary books one sum. So this sum is where we are going to prepare only the purchase book. So sum goes as under the following transactions: the purchase book of Miss Subhashree Electric Company, which deals in electric goods. So first let's write down the title of the purchase book. The first line of the question is very important because that tells in what type of goods the particular company is dealing with. So here Subhashree Electric Company is dealing with electrical goods. So goods are really important because in a purchase book we will not record cash transactions or transactions which are not relating to that particular goods they are dealing with. That is, purchase or sale of any asset will not be recorded here. So in order to disintegrate between the assets of the company and the goods of the company, we should know what type of business they are doing. So this company is dealing with electric. So this is Subhashree Electric Company. So they're dealing with electrical goods, mean all electrical items are goods for them, whereas other items such as furniture or plant and machinery, these and all are assets for them. So we will not record assets, we will not record cash transactions in a subsidiary books one, that is a purchase book, sales book, purchase return or sales return, bills receivable, bills payable. We will not record this. So now I have written down the format of the subsidiary books one, that is a purchase book. So it starts with date, where we record the date, particulars, where we record the details of the transaction. Invoice number is a separate column which we have to start. Then ledger folio, amount. Under amount you are going to make the inner column as details and the outer column as total. So let's start with the first transaction over there. So the first transaction is on April 5th, purchase from Karthik Electric Company on credit. First thing, check whether it is a cash or a credit transaction. It is given on credit. So we can enter this transaction and see what items they have bought. They have bought electric iron box and electric stoves. So all these goods are relating to electricals only. So they are goods that Subhashree Electric Company is dealing with. So this transaction comes in the purchase book. So first record the date 2017 April 5th. Next, you're going to write the name of the company along with the location if they have given. So the name of the company is Karthik Electric Company. They have not given the location. If they have given, it is mandatory that you write the location. That is Madurai, Coimbatore, they'll give you. So you got to write that. So in this, they didn't give, so we are not writing it. Next, write down the items that they have bought in detail as how they have given. So 10 electric iron box at rupees 2500 each. If you don't have space, you can always go down and write it. Take another line and write it. I have not drawn the invoice number column, so if you want, we can draw it out and you can use that column if they have not given the invoice number. Right? So then now multiply this and put it in the inner column. Why? Because that is the details column. Why? Because two items they have bought, so we gotta add it. So 2500 into 10 is 25,000. Next item what they have bought is 5 electric stoves at rupees 2000 each. So now when we multiply, put the 3 zeros, 2 5s are 10. Put it in the details column, draw a line, add it and put it in the total column. So that is 35,000 which Karthik Electric Company, we have to pay them. We have purchased from them. Next, on April 19th, purchased on credit from Kaitan Electric Company. So first it's a credit transaction. What they have purchased? Electric heaters. So they are goods which we are going to deal with. So write the date 19, write the name of the company, that is Kaitan Electric Company. Right? And the things which we purchased was 3 electric heaters at rupees 6,000 each. So they have bought only one item from Kaitan Electric Company. So you can put this in the total column directly. So if you have more than one item, write those items in the detail column, add it and put it in the total column. So now if we multiply and we write it, we get 18,000 for Kaitan Electric Company. Next transaction on the 25th, purchased from Polar Electric Company on credit. So it's a credit transaction. They have purchased fan. So it is an electrical item. So put the date 25, Polar Electric Company. And they have purchased 10 fans at rupees 2000 each. So only one item. So multiply it, write it out in the outer column, that is 20,000. Next, on the 29th, purchase from M & Co for cash 10 electric stoves. First thing, it's for cash. Cash transactions don't come in a purchase book or subsidiary books one. So this transaction will not come. So we have come to the end of it. Now last, what you're going to do is you're going to get the total. There's no balancing in this. It's a total. So this total is going to go into the purchase account, which shows a debit balance. So this is how you're going to record the total. Since you're doing the purchase book, it will go into the purchase account. Now simple, you're going to add all the three amounts over there. So 35,000 plus 20,000, 55,000. 55 plus 10, 65, 65 plus 5, 70, 73,000. So the total over here for the purchase book is 73,000.